Hey guys, what's up? This is Joey. Today I'm going to be talking about pre-workout supplements, what you're hearing in the media from nutritional people, fitness gurus, what you're seeing on Google, pros, the cons, should athletes be taking them, is there anything to watch out for, and the important ingredients when searching for an effective pre-workout. So let's get right into it. So if you type in pre-workout, like a lot of people think of C4, that's a popular one. You know, they've got Extreme Energy, they have Ultimate, the choice is yours. They have all kinds of pre-workout that you can choose from. And a lot of things you'll be hearing like, oh, you're gonna dominate, you're gonna be a savage in the gym. Those things might be true, but they also will give you a picture of a guy that's roided up and sure, he might be taking pre-workout, but he's also taking a bunch of other synthetic stuff that's making him look like this. It's not just the pre-workout. So, they don't get tricked into that their tricks there. And then they might give you a picture of somebody who's out of shape, and then say, oh, you take our psychotic pre-workout and you're gonna look like beautiful Zac Efron, No, that's not really how it works, Sure, you take the pre-workout, but there's a lot of work that goes into it. Pre-workout's not steroids. Pre-workout's gonna help you go a little harder maybe during your workout, and you might be a little more focused, but it's not gonna all of a sudden turn you into a perfectly bodied Zac Efron. So the effective ingredients when looking for pre-workouts. Number 1, caffeine. Why is caffeine important? Well, let's tell you what it is first. Caffeine is a crystalline compound that is found especially in tea and coffee plants and is a stimulant of the central nervous system. So, yeah, that's what caffeine is. I think we all know what it does, but I'm going to tell you anyways. It has been found to enhance external environment alertness and aids in neural activation of muscle contraction. So, basically, caffeine, it's going to wake you up. If you drink too much, it's going to give you the jitters. If you don't drink enough, it might not do anything. For some people, caffeine doesn't affect them at all. But caffeine in the gym, it's going to give you a little boost. That is beneficiary. It's going to help you not necessarily lift more weight. It's going to help you do another set for sure. And you're going to feel like you have more energy. So it might be a little bit of, you're jumping up and down like, let's go. So you might be able to get another set out or another rep. Obviously, too much caffeine is not good. So when looking for a pre-workout, anywhere from 100 to 200 milligrams probably, depending on your size and what you want out of your pre-workout. You got to look for that. So that's caffeine. Let's move on to the next ingredient, which is beta-alanine. So what is beta-alanine? Beta-alanine is an occurring beta-amino acid, which is an amino acid in which the amino group is at the B position from the carboxylate group. Wow, that's really confusing and nobody really cares about that. Just tell me what it does, right? So why is it important? Well, studies show that supplementation can increase muscle carnosine concentration and improve exercise capacity and performance. Okay, well, what is carnosine? Well, carnosine acts as a buffer to hydrogen ions, which are the main culprit behind muscle fatigue and the burn you feel during exercise. So if you're doing bicep curls and you're at like 10 and your arms start to burn, well, the carnosine is going to buffer the burn, so you might not feel it till the 12th or the 15th rep. So you're going to be able to do more reps during the exercise, which is going to, in turn, you're going to be able to do more reps. You're going to get stronger quicker. So that's where the beta-alanine comes in. It's going to buffer that burn. So beta-alanine, you should be taking anywhere from like 2 to 5 grams. That's what you're looking for in a pre-workout, depending on if you like being really itchy or not, because that's one of the side effects. You can feel a tingling effect on your skin. The first time you take probably 1 gram of it, you're going to be going nuts, like I did, but I took 5, so only imagine what that was like. So yeah, anywhere from 2 to 5, depending on what you like. I'd say start lower and then slowly increase it. But yeah, this stuff really works, and it's an essential pre-workout ingredient. So let's go to the next thing. L-citrulline malate. So what is this? Well, it's a non-essential amino acid and has been found to boost nitric oxide production and improve blood flow in the body. Okay, so why is that important? Well, boosting nitric oxide production means vasodilated blood vessels, which is going to allow for more blood, more nutrients, and more oxygen, and especially a massive pump. And it's going to allow all that stuff to get to skeletal muscles during exercise. And I think we can all agree that getting more blood, more nutrients, more oxygen to the skeletal muscles during exercise is very important, especially for athletes who are trying to maximize their time in the gym and getting as strong and powerful, explosive as they can be. They need nutrients and everything going to the muscles, because then the muscles are able to last longer. If the nutrients and oxygen can't get to the muscles, then what does the muscle have to, feed on? So obviously you're going to get it, but with vasodilating the blood vessels, which means that the blood vessels are going to expand, which is increasing the blood flow, then more nutrients, more oxygen can get to the muscles, and therefore it's going to allow you to go longer. And then if you pair that with the beta-alanine, then you're able to, go longer. The burn is going to be buffered. The caffeine, you're going nuts. You can do more. So this is all these ingredients together are really combining for the best pre-workout that you can get. So those are the 3 main ingredients in a pre-workout. If you're trying to look for one, does this stuff work? I think you need to be the judge. For my own experience, taking pre-workout and my friends and brother and all that kind of stuff, it definitely works. Especially the first, tub, you're going to be going nuts. Even the second, third, like I don't go as crazy anymore, but it definitely gives me, it's giving me an edge. To those guys who don't take it, when I'm taking that stuff, like, it gives you an edge in the weight room. You're gonna be going crazy. Not crazy, but you're gonna want to do more. You're gonna want to keep moving. You're not gonna take that 2-minute break. You're gonna take a 1-minute break instead, because you want to get back after it. And that's important, because athletes, you got to get back after it if you want to maximize what you're doing. I do recommend that all athletes take a pre-workout. It's just very important that you do research and find out which pre-workouts are the best, because there are a lot of supplement companies out there trying to sell you garbage, so you got to watch out for that. But yes, I do recommend it. I think it's very important if you're trying to maximize your time as an athlete. Alright guys, there's the work side. Thank you. See ya.